Vazyme SARS-CoV-2 Antigen Detection Kit Operation Flow, Saliva Sample. Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, Coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2, Antigen Detection Kit, Collido Goat-based. Instruction for use: IFU, Funnel Sampler, Sample Eluent, Test Cassette. Please read the instruction for use carefully before test. Please rinse the mouth with clear water 30 minutes before collection. Remove the lid and insert the funnel sampler into the collection tube. Gently split 2 mouthfuls of saliva into the sampler. Remove the sampler and close the lid. The sample is now ready for the following process. Upside down the elution tube 5 times to mix saliva and sample eluent. Remove the white cap from the collection tube. Get the tube capped with the tip firmly and put it on the specimen holder. Unseal the cassette package and take the test cassette. Place it gently on the table. Place the sample elution tube upside down above the sample hole of the test cassette. Gently squeeze the elution tube. Add 4 drops, about 80 microliters, into the sample hole and start timing. Visually read the result after 10 minutes. Note: the result is invalid after 15 minutes.